Are you looking for the best DC power supply? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best DC power supply on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. TechPower Analog Display TP30SWI. The TechPower Analog Display TP30SWI, around $104, does away with digital complication in favor of steadfast analog functionality. It can add a little vintage flair to your CB setup, while still providing you with a reliable source of current. The TechPower TP30SWI is a professional analog DC power supply for powering many devices such as ham/CB radio and amplifiers. It is a highly stable, fused, high-quality switching power supply with 13.8 V fixed DC power output and 30 A max current. It has a main DC output on the back of the unit and a snap-in output on the front. It has excellent line and load regulation, low ripple and noise. It is designed to minimize switching noise specifically for communication uses. When there is noise, you can use the noise offset knob to eliminate it. It has many safety protections such as overheat and short circuit protection. It comes with basic 1-year USA warranty. Noise offset control. Snap-in outputs on the front. Short circuit protection. Number 2. TechPower TP3005T Variable Linear. The sturdy handle on the top of the TechPower TP3005T Variable Linear, around $80, allows it to be rather portable, and its linear design ensures an incredibly low level of signal noise and an impressively minimal output ripple that never exceeds 2 mV. High-precision DC regulated power supply with 0 to 30 volts and 0 to 5 amp outputs. 2 operational modes, constant voltage and constant current. Cooling fan automatic activation by built-in thermosensor. Backlit LED display with a 0.1V and 0.01A resolution. 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Fan kicks on automatically. Runs very quietly. Controls are too sensitive. Number 3. Dr. Meter 30V/5 ADC Bench. The Dr. Meter 30V/5 ADC Bench, around $60, gives you individual knobs for your fine and coarse adjustments on both current and voltage. That ensures you won't accidentally increase or decrease the wrong variable while switching parameters. DC regulated power supply, 30 volts and 0 to 5 amp outputs with alligator clip leads, 3 LED digital display. Auto conversion, current can be converted from a to mA though the movement of decimal point. It can be operated as constant current or constant voltage source. Multiple protections, upgrade elastic handle, easy to carry, automatic cooling fan, exhaust fan protection, overload and short circuit protection to prolong service life of product. High stability, voltage stability, 0.01% plus 3 mV, current stability, 0.2% plus 3 milliamperes, ripple and noise. 3 MARMs. Wide application, suitable for the laboratory, electronic, communication equipment's maintenance, products line, scientific research and teaching units. Rugged all-metal construction. Side cooling vents and rear exhaust. A little on the noisy side. Number 4. Kuber DC Power Supply Variable. The Kuber Variable, around $59, is available in 4 options, all the way from a 30 volt and 5 amp output up to a 120 volt and 3 amp one. Aside from having screw-in terminals, it also includes a USB port which comes in handy for powering a second device. Launched on 2020, Kuber SPS Series DC Bench Power Supply has undergone a series of upgrades and details. It has 2 colors plus 4 specifications, all-metal body and more compact size. And at the same time, we still see quality reliability as the top priority for DC regulated power supply. The series is equipped with a better materials and upgraded structure which makes it higher reliable and accurate, lower ripple and noise. New circuit design also make it perform better on leakage protection, thermal protection, overload and short circuit protection. The SPS series will be your good helper in both laboratory and industrial use. 4 digits LED display with power display. Independent coarse and fine knobs make the adjustment work easy and accurate. You can charge any USB device with it, such as a smartphone which is waiting for repair, or which is used to take photo during your work. Choice of black or white. Coarse and fine adjustment knobs. Can produce some ripple. Number 5. NAFF DC Power Supply. This DC power supply has a precise encoder knob and it can display voltage, current and power at the same time. The output voltage and output current can be continuously adjustable between 0 and nominal value by using coding potentiometer. The setting value can be also pre-displayed for easy use and adjustment. Different from general DC power supply, this variable power supply is equipped with 3 groups of internal memories. You can preset 3 groups voltage and current combination that you frequently used and then just recall the memories by pressing the button M1/M2/M3. This is a convenient design to save your time. When using the bench power supply, the output enable/disable button can prevent us from forgetting to turn off the output and causing damage to the load. Just press this button to turn on or turn off the output of the bench power supply. This makes it more convenient and more efficient to use the bench power supply. This adjustable power supply comes with 4 powerful protection functions including overvoltage, overcurrent, overheat, short circuit. Designed with perfect OVP and OCP short circuit protection, the variable DC power supply will automatically stop output and send a buzzer to alert the user when short-circuited of the load equipment occurred. The stability and ripple coefficient of the variable power supply also work excellently. The variable DC power supply is compact and lightweight and it only weighs 2.5 pounds and measures 7.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches. It also supports a variety of fast charging protocols. The adjustable power supply can be widely used in mobile phone maintenance, computer maintenance, battery charging, aging testing, laboratories, school teaching and production line as well as other requirements.